Hey guys, welcome to Money Mindset and More. And today I'm going to cover further on networking and collaboration, how it can be used for generating business ideas, and how you can make networking and collaboration work for you. I'm going to cover 7 points on these. You can pick and choose what works for you, and you can add or merge whatever way you want. But these are very common points which you should be definitely addressing when you are utilizing networking and collaboration for business ideas. The first point is you should join any industry specific groups and events. You should attend conferences, industry solution meets, meetups, and things like that. And you should exchange ideas, ask questions, collaborate in group discussions in those events. They are very useful for gathering broader perspective. A classic example can be joining a fintech conference, for example, and figure out what should be done for lending for SMEs, let us say, small and medium enterprises. That can be example. You can also tap to online communities. It can be LinkedIn, it can be X, it can be any forum, industry forum, and you can definitely join and see what people are talking about. Again, you should share your ideas, ask questions, observe trends, how people are interacting online, what are the things they are focusing upon. For example, right now I see a lot of trend on cryptocurrency and Bitcoin on X. So you can explore if you have any solution around that which you can utilize to see the hype and build a business out of it. Another good source is a Reddit entrepreneurial section where you can find a lot of discussions on how you can do different kind of businesses and explore ideas. You can also partner with complementary experts. So let's say if you are in supply chain industry and you want to develop a solution which you have find as a problem in your functional domain, you can partner with any developer or a technological person to develop a solution which you can sell or offer. So that's a complementary way of figuring out what ideas can be generated. uh, Many companies has done it. Airbnb, Uber, all they have done it. They have a lot of visionaries who have worked with developers to make their ideas worth pursuing. You can also brainstorm in mastermind groups. These forums are the like-minded people who gather once in a month, once in a quarter, maybe weekly, and they discuss different ideas which they have, or maybe you have ideas which they want to explore. You should definitely bring specific challenges which you have, whether building your business or the problem which you are solving itself. Those both can be discussed. The best part of my mastermind group is that you can get diverse opinions on different things. People come from different background, education, demographic, and others, and you can actually utilize for your benefit. You can also use crowdsourcing platforms. There are many of those like MindSumo, IndieScale, if I'm not wrong. The best part of these crowdsourcing platform is that they are global in nature, and you can actually get perspective from different countries as well. And sometimes the problem which exists in your country, let's say, somebody has already solved in their country, and you can utilize that for expanding that similar solution for your geography or a platform or something like that. For these groups, you should definitely focus upon sharing what you are developing, gather their feedback, and then enhance the offering and business ideas based upon those feedbacks. A very good example of that is Lego's idea pitch where they allow users to suggest toys which they can build in Lego, and then they actually come up with a lot of products out of that. Next point is you should definitely seek for mentors and advisors. There are people who are doing similar things for years and years, and they have gathered a lot of information from the market, from their own learnings. And you can actually reduce your learning cycle if you start working with those mentors or advisors. Everybody needs one mentor and advisor. It does not matter you have 50 years of experience or 10 years of experience or you're a fresher. Everybody needs a mentor based upon what journey they are on and what stage they are in their journey. So definitely look for that, because their perspective might give you an opportunity which you might have overlooked, or any pitfalls which you were not able to identify when you were developing your solution. Very important point. Definitely look for a mentor or an advisor for whatever you are doing. Example of this is Sarah Blackley. She's a billionaire. She started Spanx, a lot of designing and branding inputs, not designing, a lot of retailing and branding inputs has come from people who are doing retail and branding at that time. And that's how she started with Neiman Marcus, and then from there, not looking back at all. Last one is you should definitely participate in hackathons and competitions, because you can join different people on innovation journey, and you might find people who might be a good team member for you, having a complementary skills or strength, or they might be solving a problem which you can enhance, or you can combine two problems and you can make a new product. Everything is possible in hackathon or these kind of competition. It also fosters teamwork, which you might be missing if you have one or two founders, because in that hackathon you might have to collaborate with many people with different ideas and different personalities, which is actually more important. How to work with those people will be a very good experience for you to building a team. For any business to be successful, it's more how good the team is rather than how good the product is. If team is good, product can be exceptional, no doubt about that. Sharing from my own experience. You can also combine all these. So for example, you can go to industry event and you can find a mentor, or you can join a online group and then you do hackathon over there. So it's not what you call one-on-one. These points you can actually merge, and based upon your own time and what you for the journey you are in, you can decide which method you want to follow. Next one, I will cover what are the pro tips from my side, but till then, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you very much. Share your comments. Bye bye.